to you guys. You guys get a skateboard, it's fun. But this is to all my subscribers. This is Gavin PJ, and I'm going to show you my deck, because I just got my brand new truck and shit. So, okay. I got Rodney Mullen, tensors, magnesium, lightest truck you can get. Rodney Mullen. I got premium wheels, no name pretty much. Pretty sick. Premium bearings in there. And there's Tyler.
Yeah!
What up, man?
Yeah.
What up?
Not much.
Yeah, this is a pretty sick deck. Puts your gravity sticker on it. The skate shop I go to, it's an excellent skate shop. Awesome. Got my board slides in. Yeah, got my tensor sticker right there. Premium sticker. Yep. Well, later.